So karon ang atong challenge mao na pud ni siya ang Tagalog to English Translation Challenge.
Tagalog English translation naman.
Oh. Ang premyo ani sa makasakto sa translation, premyohan ako og 3,000 pesos.
Ay, bitaha kay dako.
Oh. Onar gapon Tatay Pisot, Las Ernesto sa muka. Tulor gapon ka Kuan, sayop ang limit. Oh. Okay. Una, Tatay Pisot.
Ako nang hot doon, di ko kutubag, ma'am.
Magtulungan tayo sa proyektong ito.
Na. We're helping to each other.
Wrong. Basta. Magtulungan tayo sa proyektong ito.
Magtulungan tayo sa proyektong ito.
English na siya, ma'am.
Oh, English siya.
Where ang kuan? Sugod?
Dili, let's.
Let's help together to this project.
Wrong. Duha. Today, this project ang last.
This project.
Let's
Okay?
nya blank this project.
Let's helping let's helping ang sunod.
Dili.
Blank man.
Magtulungan tayo sa proyektong ito. Let's corrupt the budget of this project.
Naroon na corrupt naman ni noon. Alimakoy, magtulungan tayo sa proyektong ito. Let's ang una, this project ang ending.
Let's ang muna.
Let's
helping the... Ano to? Ano to yung ending?
Magtulungan tayo sa proyektong ito. Let's ang una niya, this project ang last.
Let's helping this project.
Wrong.
Let's helping the project this is in. This
Duha. This project.
This project.
Oh, last.
Let's helping the project let's helping the project this so in last, ma'am?
This project ang last.
Let's helping on this project.
Ha?
Let's helping on this project.
Wrong. Tolo. Sakto imong on this project. Let's blank. Gamay na jud ko ang on this project. Let's blank on this project.
Let's
Magtulungan tayo sa proyektong ito.
Let's help me on this project.
Wrong. Usa.
Let's
on this project ang tumoy.
on this project.
Let's ang una.
Let's forgive me on this project.
Wrong. Duha.
Let's on the project ang last. Let's help me on the project.
Wrong. Tolo. Ernesto. Magtulungan tayo sa proyektong ito. Let's ang una, dayon ang katapusan on this project.
Let's ang una.
On this project ang katapusan.
Let's on the right. Sa tay last, ma'am.
On this project. Let's ang una.
Let's on the right.
Yeah.
Go. Let's on the right. Go.
Wrong. Duha. Last. Let's nya on this project ang katapusan.
Let's and a fight on the
Wrong. Tolo. Let's work together on this project.
Let's work together.
Let's work together.
Let's helping together each other.
Let's always together.
Next, Tatay Pisot. Malayo ba ito dito?
It's so far away to this area. tanim mo naman.
Unsa tay mo? Unsa tay mo?
It's far away to this area.
Wrong. Usa. Oh, naay is naay far. Is nya blank far blank.
Unsa to? Unsa to? Ang una,
Malayo ba ito dito is blank far blank blank. Is blank far.
malayo ba ito dito?
Malayo ba ito dito?
Sa Bisaya ba malayo ni dinhi?
Sa Bisaya man ang
Layo kay ni dinhi,
layo
anak.
layo kay kapita.
Is ang una is nya blank far blank blank.
It's very far this side to other side.
Wrong. Dua last. Is blank
It's very sunod.
dili.
Tagay lang may clue.
Is it far blank blank?
Is it far it is far away this area?
Wrong, tolo. Is it far blank blank?
Is it
Malayo ba ito dito?
It's far. It's far.
Is it far?
Is it far? Is it far in this area?
Wrong, usa.
Is it far and this the long distance area?
Wrong, duha.
Is it far? Unsa to?
Malayo ba ito dito? Is it far blank blank? Duha na lang ka word ang kuwang.
This is far.
Is it far?
Is far.
Is it far in this
place.
in this place?
Wrong, tolo.
Is far.
Ha?
My place.
Walay place.
Is it
Is it far?
is far.
Is nya it ang sunod. Is
Is.
it far?
It is far.
Nya blank blank. Malayo ba ito dito?
It is far. No more chance.
Wrong, usa.
It is far.
Ito dito.
Ito dito.
Malayo ba
It is
ito?
far. Sight in sight.
Wrong, duha. Last.
It's far. Where?
Wrong, tolo. Ernesto.
Ma'am.
Malayo ba ito dito? Ang una, is it far?
Is it-
Nya,
it-
sumpaye.
Is
Is it far?
it
Far.
farm?
Far. Far.
Farm. This is it farm. Farm manok.
Far. Dili farm. Far.
This is it.
Pilig this. Is it
is
far?
it-
Far.
Is it
Far.
farm?
Blank. Sampaye.
Farm. Parong bukid.
Wrong, usa. Malayo ba ito dito? Is it far ang una?
Is it farm? Maraming tao dito.
Wrong, duha.
This
Last.
is art. No more.
Wrong, tolo. Is it far from here? From here na lang, kuwang. From here. Ito dito? Here. Ito dito. From here. Tatay Pisot. Tumingin-tingin lang ako.
I'm sightseeing only.
Usa.
Tawa ni Mr.
Excite na nimo. Ano nag-sight ba kaniya?
Tingin
I'm just.
I'm just sa tay
Tumingin-tingin lang ako.
I'm just seeing only.
Wrong, duha.
Seeing.
Wala.
I'm just
Sighting.
Wrong.
Sight.
Wrong. Sight mo?
O kanang tanaw ba? Basta na.
Wrong.
I'm just Nasa? Tumitingin.
Gamay lang mo kuwang be. Tumingin-tingin lang ako. I'm just looking blank.
I'm just
Last.
looking. I'm just looking. Tumitingin lang ako. I'm just looking only.
Wrong! Tolo! Usa na lang ka word ang kuwang. Tumingin-tingin lang ako. I'm just looking blank.
I'm just looking me.
Wrong! Usa.
I'm just looking.
Oh.
I'm just looking here.
Wrong!
I'm
Duha.
just looking at you.
Wrong! Tolo.
I'm just looking.
Tatatagsa.
I'm just looking you.
Wrong!
Balik.
Tumingin-tingin lang ako. I'm just looking blank.
I'm just looking to me.
Wrong! Usa.
Looking, lakaw na.
Looking tanaw.
Tanaw.
Ah.
I'm just looking. I'm just looking. Cook.
Wrong! Duha. I'm just looking blank. Usa na lang ka word ang kuwang.
I'm blessed. I'm blessed naman.
I'm just looking.
I'm just looking. You.
Wrong! Tolo. Ernesto.
Kano to me ang I'm just kanitong Tagalog na ma'am?
Ha? Tumingin-tingin lang ako.
I'm just looking. Mao na siya.
I'm just
looking me.
Wrong. Ernesto. Tumingin-tingin lang ako.
Usali ko
I'm just looking blank. Usa na lang ka word.
I'm just
Looking.
looking a Sprite or Coke.
Wrong. Wrong. Oy. No, usa.
I'm just
Mura kag di palit.
mo lagi. I'm just Mountain Dew Royal.
Wrong. Duha. I'm just looking blank.
I'm just looking.
I'm joking.
Ano be?
I'm
I'm just looking. Sumpaye.
I'm just looking at you.
I'm just looking. Blank.
I'm just looking
Adik-adik.
Animals?
I'm just looking.
I'm
Blank.
I'm just looking always. Just looking always.
repeat ma'am.
Tumingin-tingin lang ako.
Yeah, so I'm
just looking. Blank.
I'm joking.
I'm just looking.
I'm just looking round to round.
Ha?
Round to round.
Ay, sayo.
Round
I'm
to
just
round.
looking.
Just looking around.
Round.
Just look.
Oh, 3,000. Around. I'm just looking around.
Kita mo na.
Next.
Ernesto mo na right na.
Naglilinis ako ng bahay.
I'm just cleaning my house.
Wrong.
I'm just
Usa. I'm.
Isa to?
Naglilinis ako ng bahay. Din bahay katapusan. House ang katapusan.
I'm only cleaning my home. Our house.
Wrong. Duha.
Like cleaning.
Na cleaning.
Sunod sa I'm. I'm cleaning my house.
Ha?
I'm cleaning my house.
My house? I'm cleaning my house. Wrong. Duha na.
I'm cleaning the house.
Correct! 3,000. Ikaw, Alimakoy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ano ang paborito mong pagkain?
Salad.
Anong paborito mong pagkain? English siya.
English.
Translate,
Anong paborito mong pagkain?
What
What is your favorite food?
is your?
Favorite food.
Correct! 3,000. Next.
Bilgo, ay korta.
Toto Tagsok.
Ma'am.
Kita tayo mamaya.
I'm looking to me for you.
Wrong! Usa. Kita tayo mamaya.
Kita tayo pamaya.
Ah.
Tayo. Let me try again.
Wrong, duha. Kita tayo mamaya. Mamaya kay later.
Later?
Later. Ang katapusan.
Later.
Kita tayo mamaya.
Kita tayo. Later and last.
Last na lang. Duha na mo answer.
Please, let me now. Later me.
Wrong! Tolo! Ernesto!
Ma'am.
Kita tayo mamaya. Later ang katapusan.
See you later.
Correct! 3,000!
Right.
Kata episode. Matutulog ako sandali. Matutulog ako sandali.
I'm sleeping a while.
Wrong. Usa.
I'm manguna.
I'm.
I just.
Wala.
Yeah, I'm sleeping.
Wala sad.
Ano sa to? Ano sa to?
Ana lang. I'm taking a blank.
I'm taking to you. I'm taking
Blank. Matutulog ako sandali.
I'm taking a sleep.
Wrong. Duha. Last. Tulora ka letter.
I'm taking a nap.
Correct! 3,000 pesos.
Thank you, ma'am.
Alin mo, Koy?
Sana.
Last.
Yes.
Anong bago?
Anong bago What is new?
Ha?
What is new?
What is new? Anong bago?
What are new?
Usa.
Dili, what is new?
Dili. Wrong.
Anong bago?
Isumpay ra.
Who knew?
Sa Hunyo. Wrong. Duha. Ang katoy mong what is new. Isumpay ra. Ay, matangig ay.
What's new?
Correct! 3,000!
What's new, ra?